Okay, this is lesson 95, number 22, and this they want an arithmetic sequence. They want the first 5 terms. They gave us the 4th term, and then they gave us the 13th. I didn't draw all the terms out. They gave us the 13th term. And so arithmetic is those ones that add. So if I knew what the little adding, what the common difference was, I could go backward, or I could just kind of, you know, get all the first 5, or I can use a formula. Does anyone remember the formula that we have? I think it's a sub n equals a sub 1 times n minus 1 times d. No, it's plus, isn't it? Plus n minus 1 times d. Pretty sure. Can anyone confirm that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So, I'm thinking, since I do feel a little lazy trying to, you know, figure out, like, I don't really want to draw stuff all the way out to 13, so I think I'll try just plugging stuff into my formula, into this formula. So, what I can do is, like, kind of a system of equations. I can do one for this one and one for this one, and figure out d or something. So that's what I'm going to, because we don't know, there's 2 things we don't know. We don't know a of 1, and we don't know d. So let's do system of equations. So for this one, a of 4, I'm going to say a of 4. A of 4 is actually 4. That's equal to a sub 1 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 times d. Over here, 13th term is 28. That's a sub 1 plus 13 minus 1 is 12. 12d. I think if we could do substitution or elimination. So this one gave me, I just plugged numbers into this formula right here. And I got this from the a of 4, a sub 4, and I got this one from a sub 13. So I'm thinking elimination would work though, because if I took this one and just put it underneath this one and change the signs, then the so I'm going to like go like this, negative 4, and then negative a1, and negative 3d. Equals 9d, so that's ugly. So d is whatever 24 over 9 is. Let me check and make sure I'm not going down the wrong path. 22. Is this number 22? Yes. 2. D is, yeah, 24 over 9, which is 8/3. Right? It's 8 over 3. Okay, so there's D. So now I know D. And then if I wanted to find out, well, I could just find a of 1, a sub 1, just by plugging in right here.
Yeah.
So let's just go 3 times d. Hey, that's pretty easy because the 3's cancel. That's just 8. Well, isn't it? Look, 3 times d is 8/3.
Yeah.
Oh, you were already ahead of me, maybe. No, you weren't. You were just saying the wrong numbers.
I just did it wrong.
Okay, so and then I can just subtract 8 on both sides, and I got 8. So the first term was negative 4. So now that I know the first term and I know d, I'm supposed to find the first 5 terms. Yeah, so I think it'd be just as fast, since I already have it written out up here, it'd be just as fast since I know what d is, to add 8/3 to 4. So 4 plus 8/3 is equal to 20/3. So that's so if you want to, you can do it that way, or you can use the formula, like plug the numbers in the formula and do it for that one, and for that one. But I think since we're kind of already right here, it's easier to just, now I can subtract 8/3, keep subtracting 8/3 off of stuff. So I can go 4 minus 8/3. I'm using my calculator for the, yeah, that's 4/3. Oh yeah, and then minus 8/3, if I keep minusing 8/3, go this way, you minus 8/3. So, Yeah, so we can do that. And then minus 8/3 again is at negative 12/3. And negative 12/3 can be reduced to negative 4. And we say, and look, it even worked because we can verify it, because remember algebraically we found out that 8 of 1 was negative 4, and see how. So there's the first 5 terms right here, if that's okay. And I think we ran out of time. But you guys can hang around if you want.